God.
This'll knock someone's day.
Because we know how... Sorry. So we know how epic... You're going to be hearing lots of that. Dude, God, alright. Let me test the been happening. Alright. Why does everyone say that in my school? It's kind of weird. Alright. Their default one. Hopefully the servers are... I want to play some video games. I hear some echoing. God. What modes are... What modes? God. Want to be Lucio. I want to be Lucio. Get on. Just be soldier. Oh God. They won't see anything. Gilly. God.
Everything can be hacked. And
Oh
everyone.
my God, I'm so sorry, guys. Sick. Alright.
Securing the objective. Anyone want to join me? Jean.
Alright, let's go. I don't really care about challenges. Oof. Good start. Fun. Okay, let me have some fun. Alright. Let's go there as well. Are you serious right now? Alright. God. Ooh. We could be this. Don't have problems. Lots of coughing. Can hear you.
Oh, okay then.
Yeah, he's not playing with us, but I just have like a side man, I guess. Cough. Alright. To you, I think just I love this game so far. Without could always level it
Yeah, I
up
know.
and.
Sure, I guess.
I mean, we don't have to if we don't want to. Wait.
You could stream the highest as well.
I mean, I'm already streaming.